Hi everyone. For Maryville College, doing good on the largest possible scale begins with the largest possible number of Scots. That's exactly why we are asking for your participation in Tartan Tuesday 2021, which is our 6th annual Day of Giving. Between 5:40 p.m. on April 5th and 11:59 p.m. on April 6th, the Maryville College community will come together for 1,819 minutes of giving. You can play a critical role in helping us reach our goal of 750 gifts in just 1,819 minutes. Gifts made on Tartan Tuesday support both large-scale efforts and everyday necessities. And on Tartan Tuesday, your gifts can go even farther than usual. In fact, every 150 gifts received will unlock a $35,000 donation, allowing your gift to have the greatest impact yet. What that means is that should we hit our goal of 750 gifts, we will have unlocked a $175,000 challenge gift to support Maryville College students. Please go ahead and make your gift now, and then spread the word on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram using the hashtag ScotsHelpScots. And stay tuned throughout the next 1,819 minutes on social media and on your email for special giving challenges and to see just how your gifts are impacting Maryville College students. So let's do good on the largest possible scale and show the world how Scots help Scots. Thank you so much in advance for your generous support, and as always, go Scots.